Hey guys, I got something to show you that you hardly ever see. Mostly empty shop. We just sent everything out today. So we had a bunch of jobs got finished. Monday, we don't like to bring too much stuff in. Depends on how it goes over the weekend. This is one of the projects we are doing right now, which is actually one of my favorite things to work on. It's small businesses. I love small business. I love when people are starting at the bottom and working their way up. I don't know if you know my story, but that's how I did it. I love helping small businesses. I do. If you have something you need done, I love doing it. This is a good friend of mine, he's doing really well in his business, and he's wanting to wrap his whole vehicle in his logo and a fresh design, give it a facelift, make it look cooler. So right now it's all like this. We took all this stuff off. We took this stuff out of here. That way when we bring the wrap over, we're gonna like wrap all the edges and hide all the color of the body and make it look super cool, make it look super fun. And it's cool because he got to personalize his vehicle. He got to pick his logo out, and he's gonna get to express his business on his vehicle. And I love helping out. If you need something like that done, hit me up because I'm your guy. We've got a lot of that going on this week. We're gonna have I've got like 4 or 5 of those coming through where they're gonna be different businesses on their vehicle. Digital print is cool because you can literally do anything. You could put my face on the truck holding your face if you wanted to, something weird. You know what I mean? You could get wild with it. This one is gonna be a little more tamer. We're actually gonna go pick that up here in a minute, and I'm gonna take you over there and we're gonna grab it, and I'll show you kind of the process. We bought this locally, so some of our local vendors, I always say shop local. We're gonna buy it local. We're gonna pick it up, put it on, and show you the whole process. It's gonna be pretty cool. So let's head over there and make that happen. It's gonna be a fun little adventure. I'm gonna show you some of the things you may not know here in Springfield. We're over here at Upward Printing and Promotions. They do a bunch of our stuff, and it's just one of our vendors that we use all the time. And we've got a bunch of this stuff going on, so I thought I'd just take you to a little bit of the day-to-day stuff, which is coming here. It's actually pretty cool in here. So what you're seeing now is the masking paper over the graphic. So there's a graphic here, and this is what they call like a transfer paper. And then basically we'll take the graphic, we'll stick it on and pull the paper off. We'll show you some of that. I just wanted you to know what you looked at. So it's a little bit of really our day-to-day stuff. This is another local business that we're doing a trailer for, Best Building Co. Obviously he does decks, fences, and siding. Masking looks really good. You guys are getting that together. That looks good. Oh, great. This looks hot. This looks good. This doesn't look like it right now, but this is going to be like the fender of the truck. Hopefully fit on there, and then we will like place it so it looks like it's a part of the same print. Like it's like a big puzzle. We put it together on the truck. Super fun and challenging. But we don't want to mess their stuff up. But that looks rich. That's popping. This is going to be different. Yeah, so this is going to be a whole sign. Yep. Which honestly, because it's not a wrap, the seam's not going to be a big deal. This is going to go on like a building for a floor company. So. Yeah, how tall did we go with this? It looks pretty big, doesn't it? What do you say, 3.5, 2 feet? Does it just say floors, flooring? Okay. Well, let's hope he likes it. Dean, I hope you like this because it's big. Oh. This is gonna be like on a building 25 feet in the air. Mooring, all right. Last one. All right, we're checked in and checked out. I just gotta sign some stuff, I'm sure. You want Randy here? Yep. Thank you. We got a whole pack of work. Let's go get on it. You guys ready? Let's go make some small businesses happy. Let's go help them display their name and number so you guys can call them. If you tell them you saw them on the YouTube channel, I'll be super pumped. All right, time to get some work done. Time to make dreams happen. Let's go. Now that we're back at the shop, we picked up a bunch of projects, a bunch of work to do. I want to show you a couple little things we're doing around the shop. Well, a big thing, but it's a couple little things. It's like 2 big things, but they're little things. But let me check them out. I'm pretty proud of it, actually. So I've been here for a while, and ever since I've been here, this sign's been outside, and it's been this old thrifty carpet shop, which I showed you putting up the Sho-Me Tint sign, right? But now we've got a cool LED sign. My favorite part's coming up. Boom! Wham! Bow! Look at that. You gotta love that. what? We actually have a cloud thing. We're gonna like change it up and do some cool stuff on there, but I haven't had a lot of time to mess with it because we've been doing all these cars. Super fun. I love it. I love it, man. If you'd have told me I was gonna do that 10 years ago, I wouldn't have believed you. So I'm super hyped about that. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff, do specials. But I was gonna show you this other thing we got going on in here. We're gonna go through a little bit of a project. So we're slowly renovating this shop. When you guys voted over the summer, you wanted me to get this thing going and do more tint. Added some lights. This is going to be, from what I'm thinking, the most square foot of tint in one location. Like this is 3,500 square foot. That's 3,500 square foot. I got another 3,500 square foot down there. What are we gonna do? Let me do a little off and on. Let me see the difference. Boom. What? That's just part of it. This is just how we've made it so far. Soon you're gonna see a lot of guys in here tinting cars. Can you see me clear over here? It's gonna be cool. We're gonna light all this area up. These are my jet skis, don't look at them. No, you can look at them. We got a lot going on. Show you a bunch of more cars coming in this week. We're gonna try to slide a little bit in before the snowstorm's coming, and we're gonna do a bunch of tint, graphics, paint protection, vehicle wraps, whatever you got. So hit us up if you have any questions. We appreciate you. Thank you.